Hello everyone, this question appears in class 7th NCERT chapter of lines and angles. This is second question of its exercise 5.2. So the question says that in the adjoining figure identify the pairs of corresponding angles. So first corresponding angles हो जाएंगे हमारे 1 5. So angle 1 and angle 5 comma angle 4 8 angle 4 and angle 8 angle 4 and angle 8 comma angle 2 comma 6 angle 2 and angle 6 comma angle 3 and angle 7. So angle 3 and angle 7 is corresponding angles. Second, pair of alternate interior angles. So z से बन रहा है हमारा 3 and 5. So हो जाएगा angle 3 and angle 5 comma angle 2 and angle 8. This angle 2 and angle 8. Then third, the pair of interior angles on the same side of transversal. So they got interior 2 5 and 3 8. So angle 2 and 5 comma angle 3 and 8. इनका सम होता है, ये सप्लीमेंट्री होते हैं. So sum of these angles are 180 degree. Fourth is the vertically opposite angles. So ये हो जाएंगे हमारे जब टू लाइंस इंटरसेक्ट करती हैं so उनके आमने सामने वाले एंगल 1 3 4 2. So angle 1 and angle 3 comma angle 2 and angle 4 comma 8 6 and 5 7. So angle 8 and angle 6 comma angle 5 and angle 7. Thank you.